Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. The people of Ute community, they accuse Bob Iswah. Say Bob Iswah don't give one Saturday or Moruji. He boys make he content drive the comot for the community. Because of say, they reject am. Say e no fit be their enogi. Since where the Oba of Benin they suspend the enogi wey fair day for the community before. So make I leave you, make you hear from Comrade Lamtin Oriahi as he make phone call to the people to try to understand wetin dey happen for the community.
Okay, yes. Hello, Nigerians and Edo people across the world. This is breaking news. We do not intend to stay too long on this. We are just starting to try to, of course, let the world know what is happening right now in Edo State, precisely Ute community. Please, if you are joining us, this is the Comrade Show. My name is Comrade Lamtin Oriahi. There's a big protest around Ute community in Edo State, and we are very concerned. Please, if you are joining, share the broadcast. Let's have some people right now join us. We want the world to know what is happening at Ute community. There's a big protest, and I have somebody on the ground who is giving us live images from Ute community. Mr. Henry, can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can
you tell us exactly what is happening at Ute community that is leading to this protest? Can you give us a brief, sir?
Okay, before I start, Mr. Comrade, please, can you really have a clear picture of the crowd here so that I will know if I position my camera well?
I can see the crowd behind you there. Even though the picture is not very clear, I can understand because of network issues. But let's talk to us. What is happening in Ute community? Just give us a brief.
Okay, although beside me here, I have an indigene, the secretary to the Ute with me here. But before then, his name is Mr. Morige. So he's here with me to tell you more about what is actually happening here. But I just joined them up right here now, Mr. Comrade.
Yes, good to talk to you, Mr. Morige. What is happening at Ute community? Please talk to us. This is the Comrade Show, and my name is Comrade Lamtin. Hey. Talk to us, sir. What is happening?
Okay. The main goal of temptation is that
can you bring your camera down, Mr. Henry, so we can see who is talking to us? Yes, go ahead,
sir.
Okay. The main issue is that Mr. Saturday Omori. Are you hearing me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. Go ahead, sir. We can hear you.
Okay. He is the last son of the late Enogi. So the thing is that he is now contesting for the Enogi's title. Now we went to the palace, so the Oba of Benin now told him that he should go home and liaise with his people. That the Odionwe should supersede till when he is mandated for the title, then before he will come to the palace and do the necessary things. But since then, he refused to join the Odionwe and the members of the community. So he's now trying to use his own veto power on us. So the person that is aiding him is no other person than Bob Iswah.
Can you understand? Excuse me. Let's get a perspective very clear here. Now, yeah. Why is the Enogie titleship of Ute community in contest? Is it not something that has to do with the eldest son of the late Enogie? Okay, why are they contesting?
You said?
The Enogie-ship of Ute community, is it not the birthright? Is it not the right of the first son of the Enogie of the late Enogie of Ute community? Why is the fight? Why is the contest?
Let me explain to you very much so that it will be clear to you. The thing is that this so-called Saturday now said that the boy that's supposed to be the Enogie is not the son of the late Enogie. So that was not it caused chaos. You understand? So they took the boy to the palace, of which the Oba now suspend him. The title was not collected from him, but it was a suspension. But right now, he is now using his own veto power so that he would be the Enogie. He's not saying that the little boy that is the Enogie is not his brother's son. So that is the bone of the contention.
Okay,
So now he went.
So if I get you correctly, the issue is that it is the Enogieship of Ute community that is in contest.
Yes.
So so who is imposing himself on the community now?
The Saturday himself.
Saturday. So who is supposed to be the right Enogie?
The son of the Enogie.
Is the son of the Enogie.
So I mean, somebody rang me earlier and told me that there had been shootings, there have been disturbances, talks, and the communities in disarray. Can you tell us about that? What is happening?
He brought talks a week ago. They were shooting periodically in the community. We can't sleep. About as early as 5 o'clock, we leave our houses. Sometimes we don't even come to our houses. Some people will sleep in the bush because of this thing. Are you hearing me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. You said much earlier, you said that Bobizua is responsible for the crisis. Can you substantiate that allegation? Why would you say Bobizua is responsible for the crisis in Ute community?
Yeah, because they are friends. They are friends. He has been using it right from day one. You understand? There was a time.
You know, my friend, that is a very serious allegation you are making, and it's important that you are able to substantiate the allegation. It's not just to say somebody is responsible for something, and you are unable to. So what proof do you have really that Bobizua is the person instigating this crisis?
Okay. Hello, Mr. Comrade. Mr. Comrade.
Yes, sir.
Right here, I also have an elder from the community. Right here on this broadcast, so I also have an elder in the community that want to talk to you in his dialect. So maybe you will also understand him in Benin dialect more better than we are hearing now.
Hello, sir.
What is his name?
It's Mr. Omokaro. He's a confirmed indigene of this community, Ute.
Okay.
Wa talk man, sir.
Who you are, me baba?
Wa talk
Who you are?
man.
The one soon of Ute community.
Na. Okwona re Ute Koko community na. Otiefa osimiye ogie. Otiefa na osimiye ogie ni. Esona do record. Esona record ni ni a. Obala woni aka agwe na. Ama decide e case ni. Na him my surprise. O ya be federal sasire. Do ya kulebo yen ore. O ya kulebo yen ore. Yera do mo pa wusuma. Oni ni mama eke no eje na Abuja ya muari o. Emi ni we na mama e now.
Baba,
So the night
Don Loya vie so diare.
so
Sasire. Okay,
Saturday Omoruli.
Domano ke no ga enogie.
Epa obi maje a question no be ni. We kamata record. A court of ga decide omo no ga enogie. Man na ibiebo. Decide.
Emotano. Oma pa yinu kan si where a Bobizua be ruso on the roto to e. Oni agi we so say yeah.
Amata gele no where you go Saturday for many of the militant. La we bi na wa kwana now. Iya wa roe ni abi na wa kwana. Mama ela wa for a week now. Also manare protest now. Le government do guma do ariebo. Na ya no a reason no go arrested. Ibiebo. The by any one na no whether able or gwesi the ogia or yabo ti ogba si me ogie no na ye police mu ni biebo no na avie military re ori ma uru akuma do no eriji no gudo vie military akuri ma kwa bo wa ori ma uru wa no one ya
Okay, but in Akanania, even we go Akanania, Ezona record in there, cut my ebo here, you're right? That's what you said. And Ezona be segwane. Okay.
Manado ibe government now na dey do good man do tie e no say na na police mu ni biebo because here my decide e case here fa one ya no ke no ani na mi go iye no gbin na yo na ye mi go
Okay, the other matter the only one kind. The other matter the only one kind where Omepaka Tyson where a Bobizwa or Bobby matter now. Only argue why so say yeah.
Because area rooted na me na kwana. Even I a poster no a penal that the Bobizwa to leave us alone. That is not the power of only that boy, Saturday Omoruli. Onia.
Yes.
So let all of you come to our aid so that my make an audio wa. Abe boss in any akpa yoere. Ni awon you ya have a court.
No one where's a cardboard, but even the only tower where now I have Bobizwa should leave us alone. Why is the community accusing Bobizwa as being responsible for all these problems?
Where a matani or KICC dinner with your support, or no say a wala yari. Wana.
Yeah.
Your car was support from the beginning. Also, the confidence. Why not pay?
Ezona, when did this case started?
Yes, now. When you know those who are arrested, you Imademuja the court to decide Obona or Obona no we no give never make an guy but now a police yakuli be working you wanna know talks e no my first man line of here what talk me oh baba jena tie we oko nyamweje no na o never welele wa dey nyame dey na kra we e bo be kulele akra e bo no ka kulele yan ya police dey talk yakuli akra.
Okay, Saturday and Guacana, do we have his number? My number here for me to be able to reach him. Can we reach him and talk to him?
Government brought into a state, no job wherever.
That's what I'm saying now. Where is it possible that we have his contact so that we can reach him?
We have a possible to reach him now. Is when the forces may come, so that the forces may will not follow that to the community and see him. Like present now, we cannot live here because the militants they are seeing the community. We cannot go home now.
Okay. What you are saying is that it is not even the police as in the community. The people in the community are talks. Is that what you are saying?
Mr. Comrade, you can view one of the banner here. These are one of the banner of the protesters near Abioye, man. Now we are there, Mr. Nelson. No,
I want to get something clear. I want to get something clear. Is it that it is not the police that is in the community? Is it talks that are in the community? Who are the people in the community right now?
Okay, what is asking, is it talk that is in the community now that drove the community people out of the house?
Yes.
Okay. For what they are saying now, let's Mr. Lao on notice because this is broadcasting live from UK and it's spreading the network from everywhere through Zoom. So we have so many persons that are online now, all over the world that want to hear what is happening in Ute. That is the reason why we are here. Nobody told us. We saw this thing online. That's why we are here. You understand? So we want the whole world to also know what is also happening here. So we want to ask you a question so that you also will answer directly. Mr. Comrade, please, you can also ask this man question.
Yes,
sir.
Bring the camera down a bit. Let me see his face. Please. I want to find out from you, sir. Who has taken over the community? Okay? Is it the police or thugs? Let's be clear on that.
Okay, Baba, Lao, what's the do? Because we do, you know.
Correspondent, please bring your camera down. Let me see the person's face.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Lao, the honorary community, they want no take over community. Talks, you know, about police, you know.
Or what will not take over the community? Now we talk to about police, you know.
Both us and it's not the police.
No police. Okay.
It was the boys to Bobizwa.
Okay. Away boys to Bobizwa and the reason why they can't talk directly now is because I'm not with earpiece, making worry. So that's the reason why I have to put the camera, the phone close to them for you to hear them well.
Very well. Please hold the line. Hold the line. I want to quickly place a call to the Commissioner of Police in Edo State and see if they pick so that this matter police can swing into action immediately. We cannot afford to have disturbances like this right there in Edo State. Not now that Edo State is relatively peaceful. Please hold the line. Just hold the line for me. Just hold the line, please. I'm placing a call to the Commissioner of Police. Hello, good morning, sir. Am I onto the office of the Commissioner of Police?
Okay.
Hello, can you hear me? Good afternoon, sir. My name is Comrade Lantic, reporting from the Comrade Show. I want to know, am I onto the office of the Commissioner of Police, sir, Edo State? Can you hear me, sir?
Commissioner, he's calling from UK straight.
Hello. We lost the caller. I'll try the call again.
Okay, Mr. Comrade. Okay, there is a police van here, and they said the DPO of the police van is also in the vehicle, and the police van is from our police station.
Okay, we already have a police van there.
There's a police van here now. Those ones are
Hello. Hello, good morning, sir. Can you hear me, sir? Hello, good morning. I can hear you clearly, sir. Am I onto the office of the Commissioner of Police at those states? I think the network doesn't seem clear. Mr. Henry.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, what is the situation right now?
The situation right now is
that the people are beginning to go to their houses.
Yes, the situation right now is that the boat road now is closed down. There is no vehicle that is coming or going. You can see the crowd here. There is no vehicle that is going. The ones that are coming from New Benin side now are locked down. The ones that are coming from Adowa are also locked down. So there is no vehicle that is going. There is no one that is coming. So you can see the crowd here right now. So the community people will not block the road because they say they want the attention of the government first before they will leave here, because their community has been taken over by the thugs that came from the other self-imposed Enoge. So that is the problem they have now. But the women said that all their husbands have run into the bush, that their husbands are no longer with them because of the harassment of the police and all those harassment as well. So as you can see, the crowd here and everything here, so it is even more of women than youth than men, because they said that men have run away because of the harassment from the so-called thugs that is in the community right now. So, and likewise, most of the youth are also here. So there is yes, this was the person I saw online, Mr. Mike. God bless you, sir. God bless you, sir. So this is also one of the community persons. This is broadcasting live from UK. I've already put a call to the Commissioner of Police as well. They want to talk to one of the community persons here. So, sir, Mr. Comrade, this is Mr. Mike. Here is one of the active youth in this community.
Mr. Mike, can you talk to us? What exactly is the situation of things?
Mr. Mike is talking to you.
Good morning, sir. Mr.
What is the situation? What is the problem, really?
We've not been sleeping in the house. One Mr. Saturday Omoruyi packed some hoodlums to the community. They started shooting guns, shoot aside from nowhere, spraying everywhere with guns as if it was rain that was falling. So we needed to run. We all ran to the bush. For 5 days, I've been sleeping under plantain leaf. I've not been sleeping in the house. We'll be sleeping in the bush. The worst thing, they will come to our house, knock your door, drag your wife out. Just ask your wife, where is your husband? Go and tell me where your husband is hiding. So I prefer sleeping in this junction, stay in this place, than staying in the bush for 5 days. Even the fact that even we are in rainy season, but we still stay under the rain at night. We've concluded our mind that until the state governor come and meet us in this place, we will not live here, because we prefer stay in this junction than sleeping in the bush. So that is what we are doing here, and that is why we are here. We will not live here until they are.
My friend, thank you very much. Can I ask you this? Have you guys, as a village, as a community, officially reported to the police?
Yes, we went to Port Medana Brigade, they refused to answer us. We went to DSS, they refused to answer us. We went to CID, we went to AIG. whichever one of us they hold now, the church will hold our people to give hand over the person to the police. The police will just take the person straight to Abuja. Not even in Benin here, straight to Abuja, first second in Abuja. What for? So we reported to them, they refused to answer us. That was why we came out massively this morning to say no, we will not stay outside, we will not stay in the bush again.
Enough is enough.
We are tired. Even we don't even have money to give our wives now and our children. School have resumed. Initially COVID-19 whole school. Now they resume now. We've not been able to take our kids to school now because everybody is running head to scatter. Because we don't want to shoot outside. We can shoot anybody. They even as we speak now, they're in the village there. Yes. If you argue this, send message to the community.
But I can see a police vehicle there. Why are the policemen not in the community trying to arrest the situation? Can you tell me why?
Nigeria for you. That is Nigeria for you. So we said no. Until they answer us, we will not live here. We prefer staying in this junction than sleeping in the bush. I've been in the bush for 5 days.
Mr. Comrade, like you've heard from them. So if you see now, we even have more of the women out there because their husbands are not even in the house anymore.
Can you take your camera close to any of the women? Let us talk to the women. Let's hear from the women. Any of the women, please. Willing to talk to us, please.
Okay, Mr. Comrade.
Yes, please take your camera to any of the women. Let's hear from them. Let's know what is happening from the women's view.
Okay, mommy. Okay, God bless you, man. This is the Comrade Show. They are broadcasting live from UK, and they're also interested in the protest that is happening here. UK and some other persons have also spoken to them. So we were made to understand that some of the women here are also here because their husband have been driven out of the community. Yes. So they want to know what is actually happening here, the way it's now affecting your husband, that they have to drag your, because they said the thoughts are in the community. Yes. So though he has tried to put call across to the Commissioner of Police, but the man has not taken his call yet. They are broadcasting live from UK to tell what to hear for you. Mr. Comrade, sir, yes, the woman is there.
Last week, we have been running up and down because of this matter. Saturday, bring Curtis, OPC member, to threaten us, shoot gun, many things, to throw us away. And our husband has been inside the bush, his mother. Okay. Yeah, Kulima Kwa, Nimara, more than 1 week. Our women.
Hang on. Just hang on. Why?
They have yet to see the away. I want to win them way, no gay. I'm not when I don't win no gay. I went on the Kuleva Kwa. I went on the Kuleva Kwa. Saturday, Moruji. Yes, Yama, Nabuta, yes, Yama, Lasso. Now, Felicia Moruji from Ovianoke, Epa. More money. Sister Friday, I can philosophy. Ogwanasika, Opa, Secretary of the Palace. You understand? Money, Sister Friday, I can be now. I'm going to let you go. Money, my Pavia. You know when he locked out, we need to follow it. Naila, Arwe, Nena, Munamuta, Utosisi.
A police here, a policeman, a police here.
This guy got PC. Epa, I got this guy got PC. Epa, this was here. Epa, go one. Here enjoy it. This is a card to get it here. Here enjoy it with us. Epa, they say, "Run the city side." Here we want to move, and then we have the newa. Here then go to see a bene or canal like that one for key. Near Semia, I see a meow one. Near Semia, I'm another. You know when you are on the web with the photo. I understand.
Hello, Mr. Comrade.
Yes, I can hear you, my friend.
You have also heard from the women, and from the information that just got to us now, they said they just shot somebody in the community. So we don't know precisely who the person is or the part of the body that actually sustained the injury. But so far so well, these are the women, and you have spoken to some of the elders and the youth as well. So you were saying. just our police, and they said the DPO is also here. Mr. Comrades, I don't know if that call you say you want to also put through, if it's possible to also put it through so that this also will come from the result we don't have now. That somebody has been shot in Ute, inside the Ute community.
Anyway, my friend, correspondent, please just help us keep an eye on the situation. I want to know who was shot, under what circumstance was the person shot, and who shot the person. Let us know, but please be safe. Ensure that whatever you do from a very safe distance. Meanwhile, what I can assure the community is that I'm going to swing into action. We probably want to take the case down to the office of the AIG, and possibly, if we are not getting any response from that office, we will get across to the office of the IG. I think this matter needs to be arrested. I want to thank you very much, correspondent, for what you have done. Please keep an eye on the situation and give me a ring whenever anything develops. Okay, but we'll keep a very close eye on the situation. Thank you so much. So I'll talk to you much later, and you please be safe. Ensure that you keep a safe distance from the situation, so that you can report appropriately. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you later. Okay, let me talk to Iye. Let me talk to Iye. Iye
Obavan.
Can you take the camera a bit far from Iye? Let us hear from Iye. Just put the camera on her face.
No, let her hear you. Let her hear you first. Let her hear you first, so I can take the camera away.
Iye, come. Wasunu Iye. Wasunu Utei. Wasunu. Adu onanayi.
Candidate ọ̀gá ọmọ wa very ọ̀nàrí osisi via sókè àbíẹ polisi bíẹ kọ́ọ̀tì ìjọyà kùlí máa yọ̀gbá rẹ̀ wọ́ àmàgígé o àwọn kí máa yọ̀gbá yàtọ̀ ọ̀bíà tẹ́lẹ̀ náà padà ní ọmọ àbìnà sùnùkú tẹ ọgbà sùtẹ̀ bọ́ wọ́n ní náà ìjọba ọ̀bíà kù fẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yọ fíafíà ọ̀bọ ọmọ àbìnà sùnùkú wọ́n tẹ́lẹ̀ àtọ̀tún náà.
Mr. Comrade, let's see. You can see what they wrote here. It's Oba Ewa the second. They say we call Saturday and Bob Iswa to order. A no-gay position is not by violence or by force. Mr. Comrade, sir, you have seen the situation now, and these are also the women. They are all in black. You can see what they wear. They are all in black, and we just pray that at the end of the day, some of all these things now will be.
All right, correspondent, thank you so much, my brother. I will talk to you much later, okay? Keep a close eye on the situation, and whatever develops, let us know, so that we can swing into action to see what we can do to arrest, this situation as it were. Edo people across the world, I want to salute you all, and I want to thank you guys for staying with us. This is the Comrade Show. What you've been seeing is a crisis situation developing from in Ute community in Edo State. From what we can gather so far is a case of a tussle, for the enogieship of Ute community. And from what we've been able to gather, we understand that since 2010, the Enogi of Ute, died, and his eldest son was installed the Enogi. But shortly after, according to allegations made by some of these young men, the younger brother of the present Enogi, came up to say that the Enogi is not the rightful heir to the throne, and that, as a matter of fact, is not even, the son of the late Enogi. And so that has been a tussle. And there was equally an allegation that Bob Iswa, this is an allegation, we cannot independently verify this, but all of the protesters that spoke, alleged that Bob Iswa is behind this matter. As a matter of fact, one thing we know in Edo State, normally when there are community issues like this, is normally settled by the palace. To be very honest, it is one area that the palace is supreme in Edo State. You know, it is one area that the palace has handled most effectively, you know, over the years, even before many of us were born. You know, we are very grateful to, as Edo people, to the palace for settling disputes that arise, you know, from communities like this and all that. And from what we gather, you know, from the protesters and from those who have spoken to us, that the case is already in court, waiting the determination of the court. And the palace itself, you know, has heard the case and has asked that people should stay action and all of that. But what is disturbing right now, according to the testimonies of the protesters, is that there have been sporadic shootings since the last 1 week. And the people that have been shooting and disturbing the community are not policemen. They are fingered OPC, they fingered the vigilantes, they fingered thugs, you understand what I'm saying, are brought by the contending party, you know, the supposed younger brother who is claiming, you know, the Enogie-ship as it were. And they have alleged that Bobizwa is behind this. As a matter of fact, somebody spoke to me earlier and did say that Bobizwa, you know, alleged, you know, that Bobizwa, you know, is very much interested in the land of the community. He's been part and parcel of those selling lands around the community, as it were. And so, because they were stopped, you know, by this, the young Enogie that has been installed since, what's it called, 2010, and a lot of these activities, you know, they were unable to continue with them. So the allegation is that they are not doing everything to remove the young Enogie and install his younger brother who has access and who is a friend to Bobizwa and all of that. But these are allegations that we want to, you know, investigate. We tried to call the office of the Commissioner of Police right here. Unfortunately, the line was either not clear at some point and later they were not picking, you know. But independently, we are still going to try to reach the Commissioner of Police to let them, because it is their duty to ensure that you know, orderliness is, you know, is in our communities. And again, many of us are very disturbed because right now, Edo State is enjoying relative peace. Edo State is enjoying, you know, the hope of a better Edo State. But having skirmishes of things like this is such that we want arrested. And for those, I did ask the community if they had reported the case to the police, the case of disturbance by trucks and all of that. They said they had done that, but police have not really, you know, heeded to their call. They've been chased around, they've been arrested arbitrarily. This is the reason why we think that we probably may need to contact, you know, higher authorities, you know, of the police command, maybe the AIG or the IG of police directly. But meanwhile, disputes like this, I must remind every one of us, you know, they are normally disputes settled, you know, by the palace of the Oba of Benin. And of course, I believe that with the situation that is developing, the palace definitely would get wind of this situation. I'm sure that very shortly things are going to be brought under control. The palace has such power to do that. But in the meantime, because of the shootings, and there's a breaking news, an allegation that somebody within the last few minutes was actually shot, as a matter of fact. And so we are keeping a closer to, you know, on the situation. Whenever we get anything, of course, we're going to put them together. Hopefully this evening we want to talk about this matter a bit more extensively. But importantly, share this broadcast. We want the authorities to see, you know, what is happening at Ute community, and we want the police to do what they have to do to ensure that they bring the situation under account. And it is not pleasant to hear that mothers, you know, have run away from their houses and are sleeping in the bush because of crisis in their community. It is not pleasant at all. So we are using this medium to call on the authorities, you know, the police authorities, most especially, to ensure that they arrest the situation. People who are not, you know, legally, are not, you know, within the legal framework of bearing arms should have no reason bearing arms. The issue that we hear that thugs are shooting, I don't know when thugs, you know, have become, you know, legalized to carry arms and to disturb communities. If this is true, we are calling on the police authorities from wherever to prevail on Ute community and restore, you know, peace and order. You know, it is important. We are calling on Ute community, we are calling on the police authorities to prevail on Ute community to restore peace and order, while we believe strongly that the Palace of the Oba of Benin will definitely do, you know, what they do best by settling, you know, issues like this. And I'm glad that the matter is already with the palace, and I'm sure that within the next few days, this matter would have been resolved. So at the moment, that is the breaking news. Crisis in Ute community in Edo State. We are keeping a close eye. This is the Comrade Show. By the grace of God, whenever we get more information concerning this matter, be sure we're going to report it. Thank you very much for joining us. Keep sharing, keep sharing, keep sharing. My name is Comrade Lante Oriaki. I'll talk to you again. May God bless you all. May God bless Edo State.
Now we don't hear from the people. Let us know what you think. You hear from the people. The way they take explain, they accuse Bob Iswar, Saturday Omoruyi. Go to comment section, make you put your own for there. Let us know what you think. And before you go, I beg, make you help us share this video. And make you not forget to subscribe. Because any more information from this community, I go upload them to this my YouTube channel. For you to know how the matter take end. Try make you subscribe. And make you not forget to check this my YouTube channel for new video. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.